Yo, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be replacing the taillights. Got the trunk popped up already. We are going to put these on the car. These look crazy. These are the taillights that are on my car right now already. They leak. These are the stock ones. As you can see, we put tape all along the edges because when it rains, it leaks and then goes in my trunk and then it goes in my back seat and all that other stuff. So we put tape right here so it would stop leaking. It looks pretty like redneck, but you gotta do what you gotta do. So to take this tail light out, what you need to do is pull the back right here. So this little piece right here is right here. You pull it off. You're gonna use an 8mm to take these off right here. So there's one right there, one right there, one right there, and then there's another one up here. There's one right there. So what you want to do, little clips right here, little clips, you're gonna pull in on those clips and then you're just gonna pull out like that, and that's how you take the wire out. Once the wire's out, now you can start taking these off. Once you got 4 of the nuts off, what you want to do now, you're gonna push right here so the tail light kind of like pops out a little bit. Once you push right here, you can see the tail light just pops out. Also, another thing, if you're having a hard time trying to get the tail light out, you can also push, just push like right here, and then a red stick right there. You're gonna push on that as well, and it's gonna help to get this side right here to like pop out. All right, so I got the tail light out. As you can see, there's no more tail light in here, and it's really dirty. Oh my goodness. Yeah, it's super dirty in here. Yeah, so this is the old taillight right here. So what it looks like and everything. And then the top of it, there's like leaves and everything on the back. Webs, cobwebs, all that. This is the back of it. This is the new taillight that I'm gonna be installing. The top of it, on the back. Yeah, this is what we're gonna put on the car. And then this is what was on the car. All right, so we got the tail light. I put the tail light in here. I was using, don't mind the olives, I was using that as a camera stand. But yeah, same thing in the back. Just gonna get these screws out. I'm missing a screw. I think I'm missing a screw. I don't know. But I was looking back here and there's no screw right here. Like on the other side, there was like a screw right here, but this side there's no screw. So I think this side only has 3 screws unless I'm missing a screw. But yeah, same spots. There's one right here, one right there, and then there's one tucked up in here. There's one, you see it kind of like right here. All right, so the left side and the right side are the same. So once you get all the screws out, then the wire, I already took the wire out. It's gonna be like a little clip right here, and you're gonna push this clip down right here. It's gonna pull out, and once you got that pulled out, then you could take the tail light out. But what you want to do is you're gonna push right here. You're gonna push out so the tail light kind of breaks the seal, I guess. And then to get this side out, you could push. So a little red stick, that little guide right there. You could push on it, and it helps to take the side out, so it makes it like easier to get the tail light out. And then just like that, we got the tail light out. No tail lights. These are the tail lights that were on the Gen. As you can see, this is like all hard and like corroded. But yeah, this side, it's like falling off. Oh yeah, that's crazy. But yeah, these were the tail lights that were on the Gen. These are the new taillights that we're gonna put on the Gen. All right, so we wiped down the inside of the taillights because they're all dirty and everything. But what you wanna do is, so on whatever taillights you're using, so these are the Eagle Eyes, I believe that's what these are called. What you wanna do is there's gonna be like this little guide pin right here. You're gonna line that up with this right here. So once you get that lined up, then everything kind of just fits in. All right, so put this on. Then align the guide pin with this hole up here. Alright, so once you got everything aligned, it kind of is sagging a little bit. But I'm sure once you got all the screws in, then it'll like look better. But as of right now, this is what it looks like. Dang, bruh. Dang, that look crazy. We're gonna put the screws back in, and then we're gonna plug this wire back in right here. We're gonna put that wire in there. Yeah. Alright, so we got the taillight in here. We already tightened in everything, and then we got the plug in, the wire in, and then we got all the nuts back on. The fitment's not the best, I mean, but that's like expected. Like you see there's a little gap right here all along the top. So there's a little gap right there. The fitment's not the best, but it's expected because it's aftermarket parts. I don't really expect these to fit on perfect. It does look a lot better though. So the next thing is this is the other taillight. We're gonna put this taillight in here. And then we'll go from there. All right, so we've got the taillights back on. On these taillights, there is some gappage, but it does look a lot better. Looks a lot better, especially on a white car. Sheesh. The only thing left is to slap these back on. These little plastic covers, they just go back on like that. The other taillight, this broke off. There is another nut right here. On mine it broke off, but there is another one. So we got all the nuts back on, and then we plugged it in. Yeah, everything's plugged in. Everything is tightened. And when you close the trunk, jeez, dude, that is crazy. Oh my goodness. This is what it looks like from afar. That looks a lot better. Let me turn these on. Dang. Dude. Oh yeah, bro. That looks way better. These look way better. You see the lights on the side. Dang. These look way better than those. Alright. So they're off right now. Turn them on. And then turn, there we go. Dang. Dude. Oh my goodness. And then blinker or hazards. Yeah, dude, this looks way better. Jeez.